Deciphering Decimal Arithmetic, a beginner's guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where learning English is not just easy but also fun. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that often comes up in math but also in everyday life: decimal arithmetic. Whether you're dealing with money, measurements, or data, understanding how to work with decimals is crucial. So, let's demystify this subject together and make sure you're comfortable with it by the end of our video. Decimals are a way of representing fractions and real numbers that are not whole numbers. They use a decimal point to separate the whole part from the fractional part of a number. For example, in the number 3.14, 3 is the whole part, and 0.14 represents the fractional part, which is actually 14/100ths. Decimals are an essential part of arithmetic, especially when precision is needed. The position of a digit after the decimal point is crucial because it determines its value. The first digit after the decimal point is the 10th place, the second is the 100th place, the third is the 1000th place, and so on. This system allows us to represent very small numbers or very precise measurements. Knowing how to read and interpret these positions is key to mastering decimal arithmetic. When adding or subtracting decimals, the most important rule is to line up the decimal points. This ensures that the digits are correctly aligned according to their place value. Once aligned, you can add or subtract the numbers just like whole numbers, remembering to place the decimal point in the answer directly below the other decimal points. Multiplying decimals might seem tricky at first, but it's quite straightforward. First, ignore the decimal points and multiply the numbers as if they were whole numbers. Then, count the total number of digits to the right of the decimal points in both numbers you're multiplying. Finally, place the decimal point in your answer so it has that many digits to the right of it. To divide decimals, you move the decimal point in the divisor, the number you're dividing by, to the right until it becomes a whole number. You must move the decimal point in the dividend, the number you're dividing, the same number of places to the right. This might involve adding zeros to the end of the dividend. Then, divide as you would with whole numbers, placing the decimal point in the quotient, result, directly above where it appears in the dividend. Congratulations, you've just taken a big step towards understanding decimal arithmetic. With practice, these concepts will become second nature, and you'll find it easier to handle calculations in your daily life or academic work. Remember, mastering decimals not only helps with math but also improves your overall problem-solving skills. We hope this video has shed light on how to work with decimals effectively. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next lesson.